I have a dream. Not just to ride faster, but to go farther. To see the places others haven't seen. I want to draw my own path with these wheels, to find direction in the wind, and learn perseverance through every challenge. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's my first step toward a dream. A dream that makes me stronger. That teaches me to be fearless. That turns every ride into a story worth telling. I'm not just riding. I'm chasing something greater. Because one day, this road will take me somewhere I never imagined.